Hi, it's Brett the Herbalist, and we're back in the kitchen today with another BodiClenz smoothie. So what we're doing is we're making the BodiClenz drink with the HeartClenz recipe. So today it's all about the heart. The heart does come under a lot of stress with our modern society, especially with all the processed foods, processed carbohydrates, processed meats are particularly bad, and all the acid forming foods that we have in our diet. So lots of protein foods are very acid forming. And that puts a lot of stress on the heart and the blood vessels, but particularly because it's inflammatory and acidic, and that causes the body to deposit cholesterol on the arteries as a defense mechanism. So we want to help reduce that. So what we've got in today's recipe is we've got some dark grape juice, because grapes are known to have the antioxidant resveratrol, which is very, very good for protecting the heart and the blood vessels. We've also got chili, so you can use a whole fresh chili like this, or you can use cayenne pepper. But today I'm going to use the fresh chili. Chilies are very, very good for your heart. They're known to help prevent heart attacks and help improve the circulation and blood flow to the heart. And we're going to use an apple just to give it some flavour. And I've also got a cup of dried blueberries. So blueberries are also very high in the antioxidants, and they're particularly good for protecting the heart and the blood vessels and the blood. And I'm also going to add some cinnamon, because cinnamon has been shown and proven to help improve circulation and also help to reduce the cholesterol deposits in the blood vessels. So we're going to combine all these together with the BodiClenz. Alright, let's do it. We'll start with the apple. So we've got one green apple here. You could use a red apple, which could taste slightly nicer with the other red foods. So the whole chili, we'll chop that up. Like I was saying, you could use cayenne pepper for this. And then we've got the cup of frozen blueberries, the BodiClenz powder, 1 scoop of that, cinnamon, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 200 ml of grape juice. You could also throw in a handful of fresh red grapes, and another couple of 100 ml of some filtered alkaline water using the Alka jug there. And then the latest ship to puree this up. Makes a fantastic smoothie. The latest ship, 60 seconds flat. And here we go. HeartClenz smoothie. You'll feel nice and light and warm-hearted after drinking this. And it's fantastic for your long-term heart health. I'd recommend this smoothie regularly. So here's to a healthy heart. Cheers.